Is your phone giving you a headache by not automatically connecting to Wi-Fi networks? Don't fret. I've got the answers you need. Join me in this video as I troubleshoot and fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issue plaguing Samsung devices. Check for any hardware issues before doing anything else. First of all, make sure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Open the app, then tap Diagnostics. After that, sign in with your Samsung ID. If you don't have a Samsung ID, then make sure to create a new account. Then tap Phone Diagnostics, scroll up, tap Wi-Fi, tap While using the app. Here you can see the test result. It's showing normal to me. That means there is no hardware issue. Now follow these advanced troubleshooting guidelines. Solution 1. Turn on the Wi-Fi Auto Reconnect. Go to Settings, then tap Connection. Now tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Here you will find the Auto Reconnect option. Now just toggle it on. Solution 2. Turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Open Settings again. Now scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Developer Options. Now scroll down again, find the Wi-Fi scan throttling, and then turn it on. Now go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. Solution 3. Check your software update. Go to Settings again, then scroll down a little bit, then tap Software Update. Next, tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then install it. Solution 4. Reset Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down a bit. After that, tap General Management. Now scroll down again. Next, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap Reset Settings. Wait for a while. Check your issue once again. That's all for today, folks. I've successfully tackled the challenge of Wi-Fi not connecting automatically on your Samsung devices. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences and solutions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, stay connected and stay informed.